Kumusta na dyan ang mga ka-Ridden? At ito, gagawa ko ng uli ng reaction video sa paborito nating bandang Franz Ridden. At ang inawit nila ay There's a Kind of Hush. Ang original song nito ay ano ba yung singer na yun? Hindi rin Herman Hermits ang original singer na to. Herman Hermits, bali ano lang din sila cover song. Tapos ang Carpenters 76 na ata nag-release. Ang Herman Hermits 67 nagkopya sila. Okay po. Panoorin na natin at mukhang ito yung babansagan nating Karen Carpenter of the Philippines. Okay.
There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, you can hear the sound of lovers.
Pagka mga Carpenters, kuwang-kuha ni Chen. Saka yung mga asin na si Lolita Carbon ang kumanta, pambabae na kanta. Kayang-kaya ni Chen, kuwang-kuha ni Chen. Malamig ang boses ni Chen. Okay po.
Love, you know what I mean, just the two of us and nobody else inside.
Sandali lang. Si Char naman, naka two-tier keyboard siya. Double deck. Galing ah. Dati pa isa-isa lang dalawa ng pagkapatong. Ito si Char, dami ring abilidad nito, daming alam na tugtog na instrumento na patugtugin. Okay po.
There's nobody else and I'm feeling good, just holding you tight. So listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a
Galing.
dream.
Galing mo, Char. Galing mo.
The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever. There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, people just like us are falling in love.
Galing. Sagutan ng keyboard saka ang lead guitar.
So listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever.
Ling! Ang galing ni Chen.
Thank you so much,
Kuhang-kuha
guys.
niya yung boses ni Karen. Asahan mo si Chen talaga pag mga carpenters na kanta. Kuhang-kuha niya. Kaboses niya si Karen.
In my 40s and
Okay
at my
po.
prime, with the help of
Ah,
Myra
Thank you so much sa mga hindi pa pag subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe naman po kayo at paki-share na rin din ng mga videos ko. Okay po, hanggat sa susunod uli. Bye muna ngayon.